Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys what I use for my makeup to stay the whole day for oily skin. So as you guys can see, this is my skin with no filter. Serving skin. So guys, if you want to see how I achieve this flawless look, then you keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, so now the first thing I'm going to be doing is use this toner from Royale, and after that, after I tone my face, I'm going to be using the Cetaphil moisturizer to moisturize my face properly. I like the way my skin feels after using this moisturizer. Like, feels so soft, as you can see. So after moisturizing my face, I'm going to be using the Stay Matte Rimmel Stay Matte primer. I'm just going to be priming the area that I get oily, and just spread the rest of the primer all over my face. One thing you should know, even if you have oily skin, you still have to moisturize your face. So after that, I am going to be applying foundation, and the foundation I'm going to be using is this Huda Beauty foundation and this Maybelline Superstay foundation. I'm going to mix the both together because I don't have my exact shade. The Huda Beauty foundation is chocolate mousse, and the Maybelline Superstay is mocha. I think 380 or 360, not that sure. Put that or drop that in the description box. Now the undertone of the chocolate mousse is ashy, as you can see, but don't worry, when I highlight and contour, everything is going to come together. Now I'm going to contour my face areas I usually contour using this Adventure concealer. Now this Real Technique brush is very good for contour. Like, as you can see, it's just blending that product into my skin and just giving it that seamless look. I went ahead to contour my jawline. I did this because I actually want to give my face dimension. It was because of the foundation that I used is too ashy, so I just said to just contour my jawline, so my to bring back dimension to my face, basically. So I am going to highlight my face using this concealer, Early Girl in Fawn, and this other one, I don't know where this concealer is from. Yeah, so I'm going to mix those concealers together just to highlight my face, and these are the areas that I normally highlight, so keep on watching. I'm going to let that sit for some seconds before I start blending. So I'm going to be using this beauty blender. I don't know where this one is from, but it's really nice. And I start blending from the corners. You need to start blending from the corners. By so doing, the concealer won't move from the areas you want to highlight, if that makes sense. So I like to blend from the corners, then I work my way up. I apologize if I sound somehow. I've been down for a while now. I'm just trying to pick myself up again. So I keep on blending, you know, going back and forth with the beauty blender and the foundation brush. This will help you achieve a very seamless finish. It will help you a lot. Like you can see my forehead now. That this method is key if you want to be a pro in blending. So you go back and forth, take your beauty blender, blend, go back to the foundation brush, blend, but don't blend too much. If you blend too much, you're going to take your product away, but you don't want that. So I'm going to be setting my concealer, and I'm using this Sasha Buttercup. Now before I set, I go back into blending underneath my eyes before I set it. This is what I do. I take the setting powder, buff out the excess, take out the excess rather, then set as I go. I don't bake immediately. Sometimes I don't even bake, but if at all I want to bake, I make sure I set first before I bake. This has helped my foundation routine a lot. It has helped me to even get a seamless finishing, as you can see from what I'm doing now. So for my forehead, I'm not doing too much on my forehead because that's where I tend to break easily. My makeup breaks easily. Like I don't know how that happens, but it happens. So I don't do too much on my forehead. If I am doing my makeup, I just take the excess there and just place it there. I'm going to be mixing these two shades to contour my face, and I think this powder palette is from veebeauty. Yeah, veebeauty. And guys, can you see this brush I'm using to contour my face? This is the kind of brush you need for your powder contour. Like it just make everything like seamless. Like can you see how my face is? Like can you see my contour? Like very seamless. That's what you want. So when I say use a soft brush for your powder contour, this is what I am talking about. Very soft. I use that same contour brush to apply that shade all over my face, just to put everything together. Then time for setting spray, and the one I'm using is from Nuban Beauty. This, I like the nozzle of the setting spray. Like, it just comes out like, oh my god, I don't know how to explain it, but if you use this setting spray, you should know what I'm talking about. So after I set my face, I'm going to be applying my favorite blushes, and these ones are from, that one is from Elf, and the other one is from Juvia's Place. I'm going to mix those pretty blushes together. I love blush, you guys. You should know by now if you've been following me on Instagram. Another secret for a flawless finish: after you set your face, make sure you go back to using powder to set. Like, apply powder underneath wherever you want to apply powder after you use setting spray. Please don't do this immediately after using the setting spray, because make sure it dries down first before you apply the powder. This is going to give you a seamless look, like flawless look, and your makeup is going to last even more than you thought it would. Try it and you come back and thank me later. Yeah, so while doing that, make sure you drag the powder down your neck, like down to your neck. Foundation powder, always drag it to your neck so your face and your neck will be on the same level. You don't want your face to look different from your neck. So that is it. Can you see how flawless like this looks? So flawless. So I'm going to do my brows off camera and I'll be right back. I have a video of how I achieve the fluffy brows. I'll also drop that in the description box so you can go watch it. Okay, yeah, so that's it. So before I highlight my face, I'm going to set it real quick. Just set the brush. I'm going to allow my face dry a bit, oh my god, before I apply the highlighter. Scared. Okay, that's pink, and tone. Okay, not bad. I can use number 3. So let's see it on my cheeks. And because it's new, it's not coming out properly. I love it. Wow. I want to add another shade. Oh my god, I look so fine. Like, oh shit. Oh my god. Now my generator want to do what? Just disgrace me. Why? I wanna have to stand up from this place now, go and turn in fuel. No, nice. This highlighter is fine, oh. Just like it's pink, like it has pink undertone. This look is a whole look. I tell you, it's a whole look. I love everything about this look: the brows, the eyes, the lashes, the skin work, the lips, guys. Oh, really beautiful. So guys, I ended up applying the Starlight highlighter from Focal rather on my chest. I think I like it. Can you see that? Can you see the glow? And if you're wondering where I got my full lashes from, it's from my brand, our brand, my sister. So it's from Source of Beauty on Instagram, and I am wearing Ugu and Amira meshed together to get this full look. So if you want to buy, it's 3,000 naira each. So yeah, I know you love my brows, I know you love my eyes and the whole skin work. Don't worry, I filmed the brows separately, I filmed the eyes separately, skin work separately. So when I drop, please like and give me a thumbs up when you're done watching. Please boost my morale. And if you do come back to watch my video and you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. So thank you for watching to this point. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.